Hi everyone, and welcome to Kwixand Solutions training video for Dynamics 365 Business Central. Today we're going to learn how to merge customers and vendors. So we're going to do an example of merging a customer, and in this scenario the customer has already been created. There's already been an invoice billed out to this customer. And it happens when you have multiple team members or employees or people entering new customers or customer information or vendors. This duplicating can occur because it literally just needs to be one character different, and Business Central prompts you to create a new customer. So thankfully we're able to merge them when we find that there are duplications. So you'll want to go into your customer list, so you can search customers here, or you can, if you have it on your Role Center navigation bar, you can select it here. So you can see I have a datum corporation up top, customer 10,000, and I also have a datum, and there's extra U in there, creating a new customer card, customer C00050. This customer does have a balance as well. The same customer has a balance. So we're going to go into customer 10,000. And you can see here right away under the Home tab, there's Merge With. You can also access it from Actions, Functions, Other, and Merge With. So we'll just go from here, and we're going to open up the Merge Duplication, or Merge Duplicate. So on this page, before merging, review which fields you want to keep or override. The merge action cannot be undone. So this is a good thing to know. It cannot be undone. So we're going to select the customer 50 with the spelling error. And we're going to look through. And so basically what's happening here is in the field section, it's the current value is customer 10,000 current. Our alternate values are under the customer 50. So the fields that are listed here are anything that are different. So clearly the customer number is different. The customer name is different. Search name is different. The address is different. There's nothing populated in these fields under customer 50, so that's different. So when we want to select the fields, so perhaps customer 50 has fields that are updated that we want to keep. So we'll go through and we're just going to scroll through and have a look, and is there anything different here that we want to change? It doesn't look like too much is. So we're just going to go ahead and populate it as is, except where it says print statements. We don't want to print statements for this customer anymore. So we're going to select no. We're going to override it. And when we override it, the system will pick the alternate value. The other thing to keep in mind is down here, the related tables. This is this fast tab lists the tables where there are fields with a relation to both customers. So the current count and the duplicate count fields show the number of fields in the related tables where the number value of both the current and the duplicate customer are used. This is informational only. And what you'll see here is a column for conflicts. If there are any conflicts, they will be listed in red. You'll also get another fast tab opening up in between here it will list the conflicts, and those conflicts have to be resolved before you can merge the customers. So the other thing I want to keep in mind too is that our customer 50 had a balance. So we want to make sure that that balance transfers to the current value, like to customer 10,000. So we know everything's good here. We're changing the Boolean from yes to no. Everything else looks like it's going to stay the same. And we don't have to worry about that. So yeah, we're good. We're going to merge this customer now. Are you sure you want to merge the records? Again, this step cannot be undone. So yes, we want to merge. And the customer has now been merged. So that customer 50 is now gone and merged into customer 10,000. And if you recall, the balance we had for customer 50 was about, I believe it was $7,345. So let's go and have a look and just see if that balance is included in here. And it is. So when we look at it though, keep in mind that this has already been billed out. So it is going to continue to have the same information that it was posted with. It's just merged into the correct customer accounts receivable. And that's it. Our customer is now merged. That brings us to the end of our video on merging customers and vendors. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos on Dynamics 365 Business Central. You can also visit us at Kwixand.com for more resources and articles around Business Central. Thanks for watching.